Okay friends, to do our front bushings for our sway bar, you don't have to take off the wheel or anything like that. You can just climb underneath the front of your vehicle and you're going to remove these two bolts right here and then do the same on the other side. We'll get this bracket right off of there. Now if you're dealing with the original bushings, what you might find is that they're going to want you to slip it down the whole bar to take it off. The easiest thing to do though is if you're replacing it anyway, just go ahead and make a slit. I like to turn it over. I'll make a slit right along the bottom side there. Now you can pull it right off. Let's go ahead and put a little bit of lubricant right on the bar. There we are. Now it's going to be time to install our brand new bushing here. I like to put it so the slit is going to be facing down. There we are. Just kind of wiggle it around, work in that grease. That's perfect. Do the same to the other side. Let's go ahead and put a little bit of copper never seize inside of our bolt holes here. Do the same on the other side. Now let's look on the inside of this bracket right here. Just make sure there isn't any large chunks of anything coming up. If there is, just go ahead and chisel it off. Now let's use a nice pry bar. We're going to come under the bar, over the frame, pull this up just like this. Put your bracket on there. A couple loving bonks to try to line it up. Start in both of your bolts and then do the same to the other side. Let's snug these up. Let's torque these to 45 foot-pounds. Do the same to the other side.